The digital age has revolutionized the way we consume information, and ebooks have emerged as a popular and accessible format for readers worldwide. Ebooks offer a convenient and portable way to explore a vast library of knowledge, entertainment, and inspiration. Imagine sharing your knowledge, passions, or stories with a global audience, all from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're an aspiring author, a subject matter expert, or simply have a story to tell, ebooks provide a platform to reach readers directly and build a community around your work. This step-by-step guide will equip you with the knowledge and resources to embark on your ebook journey, from conceiving your idea to marketing your finished product to the world. Get ready to unlock the potential of digital publishing and share your unique voice with the world, one ebook at a time. In today's digital age, the allure of passive income is stronger than ever. Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or pursue your passions. That's the power of passive income. And when it comes to generating consistent revenue streams, ebooks stand out as a lucrative and accessible option. Once you've created and published your ebook, it can generate sales repeatedly, without requiring you to actively work on it. Unlike traditional publishing, where authors often receive a small percentage of each sale, ebooks offer significantly higher royalty rates. With platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, you can earn up to 70% royalties on each sale, putting more money directly in your pocket. The digital nature of ebooks eliminates the need for printing, shipping, or physical inventory. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, achieve financial freedom, or simply share your knowledge with the world, ebooks offer an unparalleled opportunity to create a sustainable and rewarding source of passive income. The first step in creating a successful ebook is choosing a topic that resonates with both your interests and the market demand. This is where niche selection comes in, identifying a specific area of interest within a broader market. Start by brainstorming your passions, skills, and areas where you possess valuable knowledge. What are you genuinely excited to write about? What topics can you confidently discuss in depth? Your passion will shine through in your writing and make the creation process more enjoyable. Once you have a list of potential niches, it's time to validate their profitability. Utilize tools like Google Trends to analyze search volume for specific keywords related to your topics. Browse through Amazon's bestseller list to see which ebooks are performing well. Pay attention to their titles, descriptions, and customer reviews to understand what resonates with readers. By finding the sweet spot between your passions and market demand, you'll set yourself up for success in the competitive world of ebook publishing. With your niche selected and your creative juices flowing, it's time to bring your ebook to life. This stage involves two key aspects: writing compelling content and designing an aesthetically pleasing and reader-friendly layout. For writing, leverage the power of free tools like Google Docs. Ensure your content is well-structured, informative, and engaging, providing value to your readers with every chapter. To enhance the clarity and professionalism of your writing, utilize grammar and spelling checkers like Grammarly. When it comes to design, Canva offers a user-friendly platform to create visually appealing layouts for your ebook. Choose from a wide range of templates, fonts, and design elements to create a professional look and feel that complements your content. A well-designed ebook enhances readability and keeps readers engaged from beginning to end. By combining compelling content with an aesthetically pleasing design, you'll create an ebook that stands out in the digital marketplace. Section 5. The power of a cover, attracting readers with design. In the crowded digital marketplace, your ebook cover serves as its first impression, enticing potential readers to learn more. A captivating cover can make all the difference in attracting clicks, generating interest, and ultimately, driving sales. Think of your ebook cover as a visual representation of its content. It should be eye-catching, relevant to your niche, and convey the essence of your book. Utilize design tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to create a professional-looking cover. When choosing imagery for your cover, consider your target audience and the emotions you want to evoke. Use high-quality images that are relevant to your niche and reflect the tone and style of your writing. Your ebook title should be prominently displayed in a clear and legible font. A compelling cover can significantly impact its visibility and attract readers, ultimately leading to increased sales and a wider reach for your work. Section 6. Where to sell. Choosing the right platform. With your ebook complete and ready for the world to see, it's time to choose the right platform to sell your digital masterpiece. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, reigns supreme as the largest ebook platform globally. With its massive reach and user-friendly interface, KDP provides access to millions of potential readers. Gumroad is another popular choice, especially for creators looking for more control over their pricing and branding. It allows you to sell directly to your audience through your website or social media platforms, giving you greater flexibility and ownership. Etsy, known for its handmade and vintage goods, has also become a viable platform for selling digital products, including ebooks. Consider your target audience, niche, and marketing strategy when choosing a platform. Research the fees, royalty rates, and promotional opportunities offered by each platform to make an informed decision that aligns with your goals. Section 7. Spreading the word marketing your ebook. Creating a fantastic ebook is only half the battle. The other half is getting it into the hands of eager readers. Effective marketing is crucial for driving visibility and boosting sales. Leverage social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram to reach your audience. Create engaging content that showcases your ebook's value proposition. Blogging connects with potential readers and establishes authority. Build an email list to nurture relationships and promote your ebook. Consistently promote your ebook and engage with readers to increase visibility and drive sales. Section 8. Earning potential. How much can you make? One of the most common questions aspiring ebook authors have is, how much money can I actually make? While there's no one-size-fits-all answer, as earning potential varies greatly depending on several factors, we can explore some realistic expectations and inspiring examples. Your ebook's niche plays a significant role in its earning potential. Some niches are more profitable than others, depending on demand, competition, and pricing strategies. Conduct thorough market research to understand the earning potential within your chosen niche. Marketing efforts also significantly impact your ebook's success. The more effectively you promote your ebook and reach your target audience, the higher your sales potential. Pricing strategy is another crucial factor. While competitive pricing is essential, undervaluing your work can limit your earning potential. Remember, building a successful ebook business takes time, effort, and consistency. Focus on creating high-quality content, effectively marketing your work, and engaging with your readers to maximize your earning potential. Best-selling ebook ideas. Need inspiration for your ebook? Explore popular and profitable ebook topics: self-help and personal development, business and finance, health and wellness, cooking and food, arts and crafts. These are the most selling ebook ideas. Choose a topic that aligns with your passions. Section 10. Your ebook journey. Taking the first step. Embarking on the journey of creating and selling ebooks can be both exciting and rewarding. It's an opportunity to share your knowledge, passions, and stories with the world while potentially generating passive income. Remember, the most crucial step is to take action. Start by revisiting your niche selection. What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve for your readers? Once you've identified your niche, outline your ebook's content, ensuring it provides value and addresses your target audience's needs. Craft compelling content that is well-structured, informative, and engaging. Utilize grammar and spelling checkers to ensure your writing is polished and error-free. Don't underestimate the importance of a visually appealing design. Choose the right platform to sell your ebook, considering factors like reach, fees, and marketing opportunities. Promote your ebook effectively through social media, blogging, email marketing, and other relevant channels. Section 11. Embracing the digital revolution. The world of digital publishing has empowered individuals to share their voices, expertise, and creativity with a global audience. Ebooks, in particular, offer a fantastic opportunity to generate passive income, establish yourself as an authority in your field, and make a meaningful impact on your readers. Stay informed about new technologies, marketing trends, and reader preferences. Continuously seek ways to improve your craft, engage with your audience, and deliver exceptional content that keeps readers coming back for more. Embrace the power of ebooks, unlock your creative potential, and embark on a fulfilling journey as a digital author. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any new video.